Hi, my name is Bria Shahid. I don't have any nicknames. I just like to be called Bria, and I prefer the pronoun she. My interest in becoming a social worker really came from my current job that I hold, which is a case manager at Keystone First in Philadelphia. I basically go into people's homes that have mental health disabilities and or physical disabilities and help them receive services at home and find them the help that they need from the community. Being a case manager and seeing the situations people live in and the issues that they face in society really made me want to be able to have the credentials to make a change in the community so that people with mental health disorders and physical disabilities are able to be a part of the community and also be knowledgeable about the resources that are out there and, something that will make them more independent and live the best life that they can. So I'm actually not far. I'm from a town called Bensalem. It's right outside of Philadelphia, so I'm not too far from the campus. And the reason I chose Temple is because I did my undergrad at Temple, and I love the diversity. I love the teachers' dedication to their students and getting them what they need to be able to be successful in the fields. What I find particularly interesting about Temple School of Social Work is the fact that they require us to do field practicums, which gives us the opportunity to shadow social workers who are out there making a difference and see what it's going to be like when we get out in the field. So yeah, that's pretty much me, and I look forward to starting classes and coming back to Temple.